Namaskar. Hello everyone. Namaskar. My name is Pooja from Pooja by Jayashree. आज हम लोग लाइव आए हैं as promised with the rest of the sarees. With the rest of the sarees we have come live. I promised you हम लोग नया नया स्टॉक लाएंगे ये 2-3 दिन. And here we come. नमस्कार. मोर नाम পূজা আৰু মই পূজা বাই জয়শ্ৰী ব্ৰেণ্ডক ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰোঁ. অসমৰ ৰাইজ ডাইডুক নধৰিব, যিহেতু আমাৰ সকলোৱে চাই থকা মানুহে অসমীয়া বুজি নাপায়. এই লাইভটো মই হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছত কৰিম. অসমৰ ৰাইজ আগতীয়াকৈ জনাই থৈছোঁ, ডাইডুক যেন নধৰে. নমস্কাৰ सबको. मेरा नाम है पूजा और पूजा बाय जयश्री ब्रांड से हूँ. क्विकली रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू जॉइन दिस लाइव. हाय हेलो गार्गी मैम, हेलो. हाय अरुणिका मैम, थैंक यू. नमस्कार, थैंक यू. हाय अमृता, थैंक यू मम्मी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. मैं नंबर क्विकली पिन कर देती हूँ. रेनू मैम नमस्ते. कैसे हैं आप सब? चित्रलेखा मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आज पहले तो आप सबको विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड गुरु परब एंड अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी प्रॉस्परस ब्लेस्ड कार्तिक पूर्णिमा टुडे. आप सब की मनोकामना पूर्ण हो, यही आशा करते हैं हम लोग. आप सब सेहतमंद रहे, आपके अपने सेहतमंद रहे. May you all be healthy and may prosperity just come and be abundant in your homes and in your lives. So quickly requesting all of you to join so that we can start this live. आज ढेर सारे व्यूज लाइव हूँ, मिस नहीं करिएगा. आज मैं जहां लास्ट टाइम छोड़ी थी, आज एक ब्राइट कलर से शुरू कर रहे हैं. जरी वाले वीर से. नो वेस्टिंग टाइम टुडे. द नंबर, our number is pinned on your screen, which is 7595959055. That is the number you need to contact us on. तो बताइए फटाफट, एम आई ऑडिबल, प्रॉपरली विजिबल या कोई तकलीफ? मैं जानती हूँ आज प्रॉबेबली कार्तिक पूर्णिमा के लिए बहुत लोग को प्रॉब्लम होगा. उन लोग के घर में शायद काम भी होगा, लेकिन जितना हो सके लोगों को टैग कीजिए एंड हमारा ये लाइव देखिए. ओके, टेल मी इफ आई शुड स्टार्ट. जैसे ही आप बोलोगे कि स्टार्ट करो, मैं स्टार्ट कर दूंगी. विधि मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. पहला मैं रेड दिखाऊंगी आज. पहला मैं रेड दिखाऊंगी. This is a very beautiful, very very festive. इसका 2 पीसेस शायद बना था, एक पीस सेल हो गया, एक पीस ये है with the peacock, couple of peacock के motifs. स्वप्ना मैम नमस्ते, नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. ये रहा पल्लू जिसमें जाल वीविंग है गोल्डन एंड सिल्वर के साथ. दिस इज अ गंगा जमुना बॉर्डर ऑल्सो इन जरी. एक साइड में सिल्वर जरी, एक साइड में गोल्डन जरी है. एंड द होल बॉडी हैज छोटे छोटे फ्लावर मोटिव्स इन गोल्डन जरी एंड सिल्वर जरी. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू हियर विथ 2 पीकॉक्स. 2 नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन इट सेट्स ऑफ 2. एक दूसरे से बात करके, एक गोल्डन जरी में जो हम लोग गुना बोलते हैं जरी को, एंड सिल्वर जरी में. दिस इज हाउ द साड़ी विल लुक. दिस इज द साड़ी का पल्लू एंड दिस इज द बॉडी. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी इंडीड. एंड ब्लाउज पीस आई विल शो. ब्लाउज पीस में गोल्डन जरी है. दिस इज द गोल्डन जरी एंड दिस इज फॉर 15,500. 15,500 में ये आप 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट में ले सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट आज पे करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड इज for 14,500. Sorry, 13,500. This is your sari. It's a very nice hot pink. It's actually वो जो hot pink होता है, it's not magenta toned, it is hot pink only. So a very very nice hot pink here with golden zari. Very beautiful color this is. Immediately brightens up your face and of course surrounding भी brighten up करेगा. ये रहा जरी का बूटा in the body. This is your border. This is your pallu in golden zari. This is your blouse. This is a proper मिठाई pink जिसको बोलते हैं मिठाई pink. These are part silk sarees. Mulberry by Mulberry silk. That's right. Very very soft and fine drapes these are. This is the look when you drape it. These are all अभी wedding season, festive season है. So this is the. Hi Ishita Di, thank you so much for joining. This is the look. Very very pretty saree. उसके बाद आज मैं लाई हूं पार्ट सिल्क के अपने नए जितने भी नए डिजाइन्स बनाए हैं वो सब है. लेकिन पहले मैं शुरू करूंगी टॉस बाय पार्ट से. टॉस यानी कि तसर, असम तसर, एंड पार्ट यानी कि मलबरी सिल्क. टॉस बाय पार्ट से शुरू करूंगी क्योंकि रोज रोज मैं दिखा नहीं पाती हूं तो मुश्किल हो जाती है. We sell these for 11,700. They are on discount today. They are on discount today. So you better quickly give me the screenshot on 75959599055. Yes, that's right. This is the tasar mein red wala pallu with an intricate anchal, intricate weaving in the pallu. Yes, my name is Gayatri. This is the border and this is your body. It's not white, it's a very nice off-white beigeish toned. Yeah, this is the Gamkharu pattern. And this is your very 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 sundar sari. Otherwise we sell this for 11,700. For today this is for 11,200. 11,200. This is the sari. It can be bought in 2 installments. You have to make the booking 50% payment today. This is the sari, fall, picot, tassels, borders, everything I do and give, you all know about it. This is the first toss by part. The second toss by part is absolutely favorite of mine. Is an absolute favorite of mine. This is the sari. रेड, ग्रीन एंड येलो डायमंड यानी कि बर्फी मोटिव्स के साथ. दैट्स योर पल्लू. दिस इज योर पल्लू. ओके, दिस इज योर पल्लू. रेड, येलो एंड ग्रीन के साथ, बहुत सुंदर मीनाकरी के साथ. दीज आर योर बॉर्डर्स. देख लीजिए, दीज आर योर बॉर्डर्स. very very pretty. This sari is extremely pretty. It's very simple, very vintage and very pretty. पहले हम लोग इसको, श्वेता मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। पहले हम लोग पाट मुगा बोलते थे, लेकिन ये पाट है, इसमें वेस्ट में बानी पाट बोलते हैं, बानी मतलब बाना जिसको बोलते हैं, एंड इसमें वॉर्प में, ताना में तसर होता है। दिस इज द साड़ी। दिस इज फॉर 11,200 and this is a very very, both are my names only. This is a very vintage tasar by Pat, toss by Pat, tasar silk by Pat silk. This is a very vintage toss by Pat. If you want to see it now, or I will show the zari wale tasar by Pat. Toss by Pat are এখন গুনা টাকা আছে যে এটু সাইডে আলমারি লই। If you want me to show this now, let me know, otherwise I will show the zari wala. This is a very vintage weave. I will show this one. This is extremely pretty. इसमें हम लोगों ने पाट का व्हाइट जो नॉर्मल कलर है वो ना देके हम लोगों ने इसमें तसर बाय तसर कलर का मलबरी दिया है। इनको এখন जैसे এখন লইয়া। This is a very 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 pretty color combination. इसमें जो कलर्स यूज किए गए हैं बहुत ही अनकॉमन है एंड वेरी विंटेज स्टाइल पल्लू। दिस is a very very vintage style ka pallu. This is how the pallu looks. Let me open it for you. This is the pallu, tree of life jaisa ye hai pallu. This is the pallu, a very vintage muga style mein. This is the buta on top of the pallu, 5 lines, and पूरे body में this is the flower. ये एक्चुअली मेरे दादी का एक मुगा का सदौर था, उससे डिजाइन, वो मेरे बड़ी मम्मी के पास था एंड उससे मैंने डिजाइन लेके ये बनवाया है। बड़ी मम्मी को दिया था। बड़ी मम्मी मतलब डोडम्मा विल बी इन कन्नड़ा एंड आई थिंक आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड इन माई फादर्स भाभी, मतलब फादर के भाभी को हम लोग बोरमा बोलते हैं, बंगाली में शायद बोड़ो माँ बोलते हैं, तो जेठी माँ भी बोलते हैं। दिस इज द डिजाइन दैट आई पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम हर एब्सोल्युटली ओल्ड मुगा सादौर। दिस इज हाउ डज द कलर कंपेयर टू, दैट्स एन ऑफ व्हाइट, देखो बेटा, because this में golden by golden है and this is like this. I wanted to keep it muga so that the lavender that I have used here does not get lost, and this also I had to use, that is why I have used. Reena ma'am namaskar, thank you so much. Sorry. And this is golden by golden, so tasar by Pat, but tasar color का ही Pat silk है ये, and these are the butas. This is a little costly because multicolor has been used. मीनाकरी बहुत intricately woven पल्लू भी है, कोई स्पेस छोड़ा ही नहीं हमने। हेलो हेलो नमस्कार रीना मैम। This is how the close up of the pallu looks. And this is for 11,700, 11,700. अब मैं दिखाने यहाँ पर गुट्टे लोई गो या सो। अब मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ तसर बाय पाट के विथ गोल्डन जरी के साड़ीज। तो गुल पड़ना है, कोल्सन है, कोल्सन है, कोल्सन है। Number 1, this I love. I made it in this also again is vintage design wala hi tasar by part, toss part. This is a very very lovely one with red, black and gold. This is the border with tora buta yani ki star butas all over in zari, red thread and black thread. And look at the very very interesting, very vintage palla. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. These are for 13,200 rupees. 13,200. This is the blouse piece. We sell this for 13,700. As you all are aware, for today this is for 13,200. Payable in 2 installments. Once your installments are over, you can take the sari home. You can take, matlab, I will get it delivered to your home through Blue Dart, delivery or DTDC. That's your blouse piece. A very 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 beautiful sari. And although isme tasar hai, because of the intervention of the mulberry silk, this is an actually a very very soft drape. A very 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 soft drape, very pretty drape. जिसको रेड पसंद नहीं, ओवरडोज हो गया रेड का, वो ब्लू ले सकते हैं. This is another beautiful sari which has royal blue and golden zari on tasar by part. Look at this. This is so beautiful. tasar by part में golden zari and royal blue का काम है. This is the work. The body has these bootas, pineapple bootas. Pineapple जैसे दिखता है ना, ये फूल का बूटा, मतलब it's like a shrub. And sorry, this is your pallu in tasar. There goes your border. I'll show you the blouse piece. Very pretty blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Plain with, this is ivory color, but this is not. This is for 13,200. Ruchi ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This is, अच्छा ये तो तसर बाय तसर है. This is another toss part which is on discount, heavy discount sale. ये जिसको जो कोई भी लेगा will be. कविता मैम नमस्कार, thank you for joining. ये जो कोई भी लेगा, it is a steal deal. One time payment, immediate payment, लेकिन स्टील डील में. Thank you so much, Ruchi ma'am. Means a lot, really means a lot. And when you come into this live, unlike many of my people in my fraternity, you can feel free to watch the live, ask me as many questions, WhatsApp me. But in case you don't buy, no hard feelings. It's all absolutely all right. This is all about friendship, sisterhood, much more than selling and buying. I always say, and I'm saying it from my heart. साड़ी छू के बोल रही हूँ. Okay, so this is the. Hello. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Thank you for joining. This is a one-time deal only and only on this sari. This is a Tasar by Part, toss part silk sari. It'll come with a silk mark, with gauze buta and golden zari. This is your pallu in tasar, golden zari and red. This is your border. This is your blouse piece, golden zari and red on tasar by part, toss by part, and this is at a steal deal. While the others are at 13,200, this is at a steal deal. Why this is at a steal deal? Because आज वीकेंड में आप लोग का टाइम ले रही हूँ. आज फेस्टिवल भी है, कार्तिक पूर्णिमा है, गुरुपुरब है, एंड फिर भी मैं आपका टाइम ले रही हूँ. आप लोग मेरे को इतना काइंडनेस दिखा रहे हैं, इतना कृपा दिखा रहे हैं, इसीलिए ये स्टील डील एक मैं दे रही हूँ अपने तरफ से, प्यार से और श्रद्धा से. दिस इज एट ओनली एंड ओनली 9,800 flat, free shipping all over Bharat. You do not have to pay anything extra. Yes, if you're paying by credit card, there's a 3% extra. वो एक्वायरर बैंक एंड इशूइंग बैंक के बीच का बात है. हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं, ना ही आपका लेना देना है. आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड आप हमको रेजर पे में पे करोगे थ्रू पेमेंट लिंक, तो 3% एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा. अदरवाइज इफ यू पेइंग थ्रू जीपे 9,800, I can bet this was the price some 4 years back. अभी कैन आई मूव टू टॉस बाय टॉस, तसर बाय तसर सिल्क साड़ीज, और शुड आई गो टू शुड आई स्टार्ट द पाथ सिल्क वंस? आज बहुत ही शॉर्ट लाइव होगा. अगर कुछ रेपिटेशन करना है तो बता दीजिएगा, अदरवाइज आई विल डू द पाथ सिल्क. शुड आई गो विथ पाथ सिल्क? I'll start with path silk then. Sorry, no Aries today. Number 1, Kaziranga weave, a very special dark tasar color. This is Kaziranga weave, number 1, part by part silk. Number 2, that one was, I also want black Aerie in winter. Okay. Number 2, yellow with this. That one was pink. That one was red pallu. This is pink pallu. Dual tone. Path silk is mulberry silk. Ruchi ma'am, path silk is mulberry silk. Number 2. I will draw. So we can do it. Yeah. Number 3, a very pretty lemon yellow mulberry silk. Number 3, Vandana ma'am, namaste. Thank you so much for joining. Number 4, emerald green with bright neon orange and golden color thread. Number 4. This has all my heart. Number 5, steel grey with bright yellow. Number 5. अभी बताइए, I lose count when I over show things. So number 1. There's no winter here, but I would love a black Aerie too. Okay, done. I will get. I'll send you pictures. Number 5, number 4, number 3. Dalia ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Number 2, Kaziranga, number 1. So do let me know which one to show first. I'll eventually show all, but which one to show first? Yes, that's right. It's the richest colors. Number 5. The richest colors will be in winters. Maroon will be more maroon. Like in the markets also. Summer का beetroot ऐसे होगा एकदम मुरझाया हुआ, no color only, it will be faded, brown and maroon mix. But winter beetroot will be very very red maroon, एकदम rich maroon, no? Okay, so number 5. This is number 5, a lovely steel grey with a bright yellow. This is the pallu. Charcoal, a lot of things actually. Charcoal, then you have that neil, indigo, charcoal, then you have purple cabbage, then you have very surprising ingredients. You have purple cabbage, you have then a lot of, I don't know what that saag is called. There's a particular saag that you get here which is red, not amaranthus, not that. It is a इतना छोटा छोटा पत्ता मिलता है. It's a wild kind of saag that is also used. It's almost black. So a lot of things are used to make that black, एकदम jet black sort of a color. But mainly it is charcoal only. Okay, so this is the sari. Hi Meghnaka, thank you for joining. How are you? Long time. This is the blouse piece. It's a beautiful grey with yellow flowers. No zari, but yet so gorgeous. This is a zero zari sari. Is this neon yellow? No, this is bright yellow. This color only, bright yellow. This is bright yellow. And this is the sari. I've shown the blouse piece. This is for 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. 10,000. I want to really show this. Can I please? This is a lovely sari. Beautiful sari this is. This is the sari. Just look at this beauty. This is the sari. Very beautiful. If you are okay with the color, that's dark emerald green. I think it's called dark bottle green with fluorescent orange buttas like this and golden color thread buttas. No zari again. And this is your border. इस साड़ी में भी लव एंड लाइक्स नहीं आएंगे. ग्रे वाला भी दिखा दिया. आई थॉट पीपल विल गो मैड, बट आई हैव अ स्टनर, वन मोर स्टनर. नेक्स्ट लॉट. दिस इज द मोटिफ इन द pallu. 2 paisleys together. 2 kolka motifs together. This is the pallu. This also is very pretty. And the blouse piece is this. This is the blouse piece. This is neon orange and golden color thread on green. ये पूरा भरा डिजाइन है. देखिए, density of the buttas of the motifs is also more than the others. But we are selling this also at 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. Okay, one stunner without asking you, I will show now, which is for 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat, and it is this. The rest can actually wait. Sujata ma'am, namaskar. Thank you for joining. Hi Shomushudi, thank you so much for joining. The rest can wait, and this sari actually asks for a standing ovation. I am already standing. So this is, hi Rajni Akka, thank you so much for joining. This is a jet black mulberry silk by mulberry silk, part by part silk sari. Thank you for joining. And with this beautiful grey color thread motifs. This is not thread, normal thread. This is dyed Ahimsa silk thread yarn. This is the sari. And these in handloom are not defects. So kindly do not come and tell me कि I want to return the sari because it has defects. This is the stunner for today. I am selling saris worth 18,500. Some are even more than that probably. But this is my pick for the day. This is the look. A very classy sari. Outright sophisticated. This is so pretty, I cannot tell you. And the borders also. This is the blouse piece, plain with this border. And these are the borders. And this is grey color. Yeah, just need to keep this borderless. Very pretty pallu here. Woven very beautifully. And this is the one. I don't know if Amrita is there. I told her, I was chatting with her, and I already told her that there is a black sari which I am already going bananas over, and this is the sari. Ye raha sari. This is the look of the sari. This is so pretty. I don't know if you don't find it pretty, but really this is mind-blowingly gorgeous. This is the sari. This is the pallu. This is the body with tiny flowers. Grey कलर का अहिंसा सिल्क को डाई करके ग्रे कलर का बना के इसको काम किया गया है, वीविंग किया गया है. And this is such a sophisticated looking sari. And a black sari is always an alternative, Indian alternative to a black suit, corporate suit. I have always been told by my bosses, female bosses. Okay, so this is the sari. Tasar color sari with golden color I have. No, I will show after this. Tasar color nahi, I have Tasar silk only. I have a Tasar color sari I showed yesterday. Usse pehle wala. I will share the link, ma'am. If you can WhatsApp me on 7595959055, I will share the YouTube link. You can watch aram se, you can skip also. And I will share the picture also with you. I have a picture also, I think. Yeah. This is the beautiful sari, and this is for 10,000, free shipping all over Bharat. Next is this yellow. This is a very pleasant, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Bright but yet pleasant yellow. This is a lemon yellow. White पे yellow मारा है, इसीलिए इतना सुंदर shine है इसका. It's got a shine to it. And this is the work. Work is like this in the pallu. Bashanti yellow, maybe. This is the yellow. It's a very, very lovely yellow. On white, on white warp, if you weave a very beautiful bright yellow weft, this is the color that's going to come. I have made Shefali sarees in this. I have made Aparajita in this. So this is the Tora, yani ki star, yani ki tara motif in white and green, a very lovely green at that. This is your border. This is your pallu. Let me show the blouse piece. this is your blouse piece. Yashashwini ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. And this is for Konika. Hello, how are you? Thank you for joining, my dear. This is the sari for 10,000, free shipping all over Bharat. ओके ठीक है. नमस्ते नमस्ते यशस्विनी मैम. This is a very nice haldi kumkum combination, dual tone sari in red warp, yellow मारा गया है. It is a mustard toned sari, as you can see, flame orange color का है ये. This is a very very nice sari with a pink पल्लू, golden color thread work के साथ pink पल्लू, गॉस बूटा है इसमें, and red से पूरा का पूरा बॉडी का काम किया गया है. Look at the gorgeous dual tone it's having, red का undertone, and this is the flower boota in the body. This is your border. Yes, you can be a new bride. I wear all bright color. जैसे जैसे I am aging, जैसे जैसे मेरा उम्र बढ़ रहा है, I am wearing brighter and brighter colors. And this is your blouse piece. Pink contrast में है with golden color thread work. This sari is for 9,700. 9700, free shipping all over Bharat. This is for 9700 क्योंकि similar साड़ी रेड आंचल एंड रेड ब्लाउज के साथ मैंने दिया था परसों या उससे पहले वाले दिन मैंने दिया था सेम प्राइस 9700 में. Now this is a very special, a very very Assamese sari, part by part, in dark tasar color with maroon, green as primarily as motif colors. This is the aanchal with the japi, with the deer, with the peacocks, with the one-horned rhinos and other birds, the flora and fauna of Kaziranga. This is your pallu, a very richly woven pallu, beautifully woven border also, and the whole body has these japi motifs and rhino motifs. Japi motifs and the rhino motifs in green and maroon. Very 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 pretty this sari is. This is how it looks. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, and what a steel deal it is for. This is your blouse piece with maroon color. This is how your blouse looks. 10,000, free shipping all over Bharat. Next set, royal blue with red, part silk, mulberry silk sarees. This is a lovely one. Just a few months ago, somebody was doing a live and selling this for 18,000 rupees. I'm not joking, and it is true fact. Steel grey with red pallu, maroonish red pallu and black motifs. Number 2. Number 3 is this mustard yellow, golden yellow with maroon. More than that, na? I think so, yeah. Number 4 is this blue on blue. Okay. And these ones, this is not for 10,000, this is for 11,200. This has got a more intricate weave, and this has got, I will show it to you. No, this is for 10,700. Sorry. This is for 10,700. 10,700. 10,700. I will. This is black ward, mulberry ward, and red weft, mulberry silk weft. This is your pallu. This is your pallu. Chalo, I will give this also for 10,200 for today. 10,200 for today. Okay, 10,000 for today. Okay, happy? 10,000 for today. इससे कम नहीं होगा. This is the pallu with a gamkharu design, and this is white and black, very beautifully done on this maroonish red. Okay, and this is the star buttas in the border. Whole body is with black and white stars, hand woven to perfection. This is your sari, and this is your blouse piece. It's a very, very lovely color. It's not red, it's blood clot red, you can say, because it's maroonish red, black toned red. This is the pallu with black and white motifs for 10,000, free shipping all over Bharat. Last one, matlab this one to you have already. This one to you have already. But I will show this. Brick red. Wah! Maan gaye janab. I am always at a loss of words when it comes to brick red. Yes. When it comes to color names. Thank you for helping me. Hamesha. Acha, you saw. Okay, so this is a beautiful blue on blue, royal blue में फिरोजी ब्लू का काम है, रॉयल ब्लू में सर्फ ब्लू का काम है, रॉयल ब्लू में इसमें सर्फ ब्लू का काम है, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन. This is the pallu gauze butta with the lokoparo, very traditional buttas. This is a very, very beautiful sari, extremely lightweight and extremely lightweight. अभी प्लीज कॉल मत कीजिएगा, मैं कॉल अभी मैसेज करके रख दीजिए, मैं लाइव के बाद आपका कॉल उठाऊंगी पक्का, आपको कॉल बैक भी करूंगी. दिस इज द गॉस बूटा and this is a very lightweight, very very fine, easy drape. This is the big size gauze butta with the lokoparo. Gauze butta with the lokoparo, very very beautiful, royal blue. And Amrita is there. A lot of you have bought this sari. Probably the motifs are a little different from each other, but this is a very beautiful combination. Could be worn in the day, in the night, in the evenings. It's best to wear this color. And अभी winters के parties में, शादियों में तो ऐसे colors ही अच्छे लगते हैं. When you don't want to wear too much of red or orange. This is the way. This one, na, blue and blue. Sorry. This yellow one. This yellow is also very pretty. इसमें येलो में सिर्फ और सिर्फ वाइनिश मरून का काम किया गया है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी विद द खिंखा बूटा एंड विथ दिस ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू. पल्लू का ही खेल है इस साड़ी में. दिस इज नॉट पर्पल, दिस इज वाइन मरून कलर. दिस इज द एक्चुअल कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एंड दिस इज योर बॉर्डर मरून कलर के मोटिव के साथ. एंड दीज आर वेरी वेरी टाइनी माइनी मरून कलर के फ्लावर मोटिव्स हैंड वोवन ब्यूटिफुली इन दिस साड़ी. सो दिस साड़ी is available for 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. Don't wait for January for Saraswati Puja to come. हल्दी का कुमकुम, हमारा जो कामाख्या का कुमकुम होता है वो मरून कलर का होता है. सो ये वो वाला एकदम मरून कलर का सिंदूर का कलर है एंड दिस इज द येलो वन. So this is also a very very beautiful choice for your हल्दी फंक्शन. अगर आपको अटेंड करना होगा शादियों में हल्दी फंक्शन का साड़ी. All right. ये भी बहुत सुंदर है साड़ी. पूजा दी हाय. Thank you so much for joining. This is a steel grey. This is a steel grey साड़ी. आज ही आया है तो bear with me. I'm a little clumsy. Train is leaving मतलब. This is the very very pretty steel grey with black and red motifs all over. This is how the sari looks and this is the pallu. This is black mein red mara gaya pallu. That is why it's a little maroonish red, dark black toned red. This is your blouse piece, silver steel grey with this color ka border. These are your borders in yeah, the train is not leaving. We lived right next to the main road, right at the main road. That is why all sorts of sounds you will find. And plus I am also a lot of sound put together. So this is the border. Border is also very pretty. Rangoli style of border. This is the pallu. On top of the pallu, you have this lovely motifs, hinkap without the animal figurines, and ये रहा आपका बॉडी का बूटा रेड एंड ब्लैक में. इसके साथ आप एक ब्लैक ब्लाउज पहनिए, सिल्वर ज्वेलरी पहनिए, सिल्वर प्लेटिनम व्हाटएवर, एंड यू गुड टू गो. इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. 10,000 फ्री शिपिंग ऑल ओवर भारत. तक नहीं देखा भी, तक नहीं देखा हूँ बोलिए नहीं देखो. Hide this one. Hide this one. Now this is the last of the last na of the 10,000 range. This is the last color combination, a royal blue with red. This is not pink. It might look pink because of the tube light, but it is red. This is your beautiful pallu in red. काम देखे. I'm showing you a close up so that you don't miss anything in the sari. This is a super duper beautiful sari. This is your motif and this is the motif. I will show a close up because this motif is like this. This is the flower. एंड बीच में भी इसके वीविंग है. ईच मोटिव हैज ब्यूटिफुल वीविंग इनसाइड ऑल्सो, इनसाइड द मोटिव ऑल्सो. दिस इज द साड़ी It is definitely a very, very gorgeous sari. This is your border. I'll show you the blouse piece. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and this beauty is for 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. Just look at this. I want to own this like immediately. It's so pretty. It's very, very pretty. It will come with a silk mark, fall, picot, tassels, borders, सब कुछ मेरे ओर से हम लोग करके भेजेंगे. And this is for 10,000. 10,000 range में we are done. Now we will start with the Tasar silk sarees. Okay or not okay? Or we should finish the... Okay. Tasar silk with thread. Zabadita. क्या है? Number 1. Sorry. Number 1. Toss by toss silk, Tasar by Tasar silk, yellow, red and black motifs के साथ. This is the border. Number 1. Number 2 is this beauty. Number 2, multicolor, pink, green and hot pink, green and royal blue के साथ. And number 3 is this Pinky ma'am. Hello, ki khabar. Manu ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Number 3 is this beautiful motifs in red on Tasar by Tasar, toss by toss. Number 3. These are with the stitched border. They are for 11,500 free shipping all over Bharat. Now tell me, which one do you want me to show first? Nothing? No choice? Okay, I will show from my side. I will show number 2. Madhuri ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Multicolor, Yashashwini ma'am, I picked up the multicolor one. First, let me show the borders to you. This is the border. Like the Kasbasa pattern, but this is not the Kasbasa pattern. It only looks like the Kasbasa pattern. Hello, namaste ma'am. This is your blouse piece, plain with one line of the border. No worry, tap up. And this is the body with tiny royal blue, hot pink and green color diamond motifs, diamond shaped motifs. Here they are. This is your multicolor pallu. This is how the pallu looks. Usually I always say कि you can wear the sari without the border, wear the sari without the border. But these borders are so special, so very beautiful, that I would suggest you put this border and wear the sari. Just tell me that please put the borders, Pooja, put the border, fall, picot, tassels, everything I will do and give. This is for 11,000. I had 2 pieces, 1 piece is sold and 1 more piece has come today. 2 pieces came today. 1 is sold offline and 1 is sold today. This is the one. Okay, and this is for 11,500. Poonam ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Next is this beautiful butterfly motif wala authentic color combination in Tasar by Tasar silk. This is the pallu. This is your border, and here goes your motif. This motif is so pretty, just see. It looks like a butterfly, but this is the actual motif. I will show it to you. This is more like a bunch of flowers. Okay? But from a distance, it actually looks like a butterfly. ये रहा आपका blouse piece. ये रहा blouse piece, and this is your sari. 11,500 zero starch के साथ, जिसमें मिनिमल स्टार्च होगा. मैं बता दूंगी कि मिनिमली स्टार्च है. जिसमें जीरो स्टार्च होगा, आई विल टेल यू. नेक्स्ट थ्रेड वर्क के साथ शायद इतने ही है हमारे पास ना. उतना काम और लिखेंगे ऐसे ना, बाकी सब गुना. दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटी इन Tasar by Tasar silk with a little starch, and this is the pallu, black and yellow and red के साथ. predominant color of course red है. This is your pallu. This is again a vintage style sari. This is the 3 lines of the bigger burfi motifs, and this is a very very pretty design motif. Red, yellow and black. This has starch. बाकियों में स्टार्च नहीं है. दिस हैज स्टार्च. ये रहे बॉर्डर्स जो मैं लगा के दूंगी आपको विथ रेड, येलो, ब्लैक, एंड देयर गोज योर ब्लाउज पीस. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. ओके, दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. And this is also for 11,500 free shipping all over Bharat. Now I want to show, I have a very very special sari. I want to show a very special, very very special sari. This is absolutely gorgeous with zero starch. I have 2 pieces of this, not 3, because the third one is on order. It's an order. I have 2 pieces. You can take this. This is a very 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 vintage weave with मीनाकरी. You can check. Yellow, orange, green मीनाकरी है red के साथ. This is the motif all over the body in multicolor. This is a very very special sari. बॉर्डर में इसके कैस बासा डिजाइन किया गया है. कैस बासा इज द ओल्डेस्ट डिजाइन इन असम टेक्सटाइल. इट्स अ मिशिंग ट्राइबल डिजाइन. कैस बासा बोलते हैं. दिस इज द कैस बासा डिजाइन, एंड दिस इज अ दिस इज द very very beautiful border. That's your blouse piece. A very very vintage revived weave. I have not revived it. The weaver has done it. No credit to me. मैं झूठ बोल के कहानियां बना के, I do not sell stories. That's not my job. I'm not an author. I'm not a composer. I sell only these things which my weaver makes, that is Assam silk and other weaves of the northeast part of Bharat. So making stories and weaving lies is not our job. That's not how I've been brought up, and that's not my style of business as well. So this is a very, very special weave, and this is a vintage style weave. This is for 14,500 rupees. 14500. Those who book this sari today will get an instant discount, and this will be available for 13,500. Free shipping all over Bharat. Stitching of falls, picot, border, tassels, everything will be done by us. This is the sari. Beautiful, gorgeous saris. I have two more, but one is from an order. I have two more saris. Okay. Now, I showed a Tasar by part sometime back. This is the Tasar by Tasar of the same. The same weave in Tasar by Tasar and Tasar by part we have. Answer. Tasar by part ko na nahi. There. This is Tasar by Tasar, and this is Tasar by part. This is an ivory, this is a golden beige color. Number 1, this now we are moving to Tasar with gold zari. This is number 2. There goes number 3 with lions and hinkap and deer. Number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. Devlina ma'am, Mahima, hi, hello. Number 5. नंबर 5 में से आपको 1 2 3 4 5 में से कौन सा देखना है? I'll show again. Number 1, number 2, okay. Number 2 is this lovely Tasar silk sari with red and neon green, fluorescent green. Number 5, I will show number 5. Fluorescent green, this is a fold, this is not a stitch. Okay. 2 and 3. Number 2 is this very, very pretty Tasar silk sari, zero starch with a very beautifully woven pallu with neon green and red, gauze buta with lukoparo. पूरा का पूरा weaving है zari में. Entire pallu is woven in zari. These are the borders. This is the border. And this is the buta in the body. Very, very beautiful golden zari with neon green and red thread work. This is how the sari's pallu will look. Golden zari, yet very simple. And this is the blouse piece. This is for 13700. Number 3. 2, 3 and 5. Number 3 का पहले ब्लाउज पीस दिखा देती हूँ. This is your blouse piece, red and black with golden zari. And this very, very beautiful sari is with motifs in golden zari, black and red, as you can see here. Gauze buta का एक variation ये भी है. This is your border. Border in particular is very pretty. ये बॉर्डर बहुत सुंदर है. इग्नोर माई नेल, मेरे नेल्स एकदम भी चबा चबा के. एंड दिस इज योर वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू इन गोल्डन जरी. इट्स अ काजीरंगा थीम पल्लू. पीकॉक्स, डियर, राइनोस सब कुछ है इधर. देख लीजिए. लायंस भी हैं, ऑल्दो लायंस है नहीं, लेकिन इमेजिनेशन में लायन भी कर सकते हैं, हाथी भी कर सकते हैं. हाथी तो है, बहुत सारे हैं असम में. This is the pallu. Very, very beautifully done. This pallu is, I have shown the blouse piece to you. Blouse piece is very pretty. This is the blouse piece. Border इतना सुंदर है इसका, मेरे को तो इस border से ही प्यार है. This border is very, very beautiful. And this is a very beautiful sari for 13,700, free shipping all over Bharat. Number 5, here we go. नंबर 5 का और एक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अमृता के पास ऑलरेडी है. एंड दिस इज नंबर 5. दिस इज गोल्डन जरी एंड रॉयल ब्लू के साथ. दिस इज योर बॉर्डर, वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन, मुकुटमुनि बूटास all over. This is your pallu in golden zari and blue. मम्मी के पास है. Okay. In golden zari and blue. And this is also tasar by tasar with golden zari and blue thread with stitched borders. Okay. This is the sari. This is for less. इसमें स्टील डील है आज. This is only and only for 11,700 rupees. 11700. This is the blouse piece. मैं एक कलेक्शन का एक साड़ी डिस्काउंट में दे रही हूं ताकि आप सबको भी लगे कि ठीक है ये आती है, हम लोग का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करती. लेकिन ओके, सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. इसका तसर बाय पार्ट, टॉस पार्ट मैंने दिखाया था. दिस इज योर तसर बाय तसर विद गोल्डन जरी. ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्बिनेशन है विथ रेड. दिस इज मुगा डिजाइन में ये होता है, इसको जापी भी बोलते हैं. एंड दिस इज द pallu. This looks like an anchor, but it is not. This one na mummy. This is the red and black and gold tora yani ki star motifs. This is the border, very very beautiful border also. And this is your blouse piece for 13,500, 13,700, लेकिन 13,500 में ही मिलेगा सब कुछ आज. कितना बोला? 13,200 बोला ना मम्मी. आई विल मम्मी कुडिया सुन जा, कुडिया फुट के. मालकिन बैठ के देख रही है. शी इज वॉचिंग. आई कैन नॉट goof up. And this is like that one was with neon green and red. This is with bottle green and red and golden color zari. This is a very very beautiful sari again. This is the very very beautiful bootas in the body. बहुत सुंदर है. इसका ये मीनाकरी के साथ बॉर्डर भी है. बॉर्डर में यूजुअली पीपल डू नॉट पुट मीनाकरी बिकॉज इट्स वेरी लेबर इंटेंसिव, वेरी टाइम इन टेकिंग. एंड दिस इज योर पल्लू. ओके, थैंक यू. एंड दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस. For 12,500, these are zero starch, zero zari, woven border, tasar by tasar silk sarees. Will come with a silk mark, fall pico tassels, everything I will do and give If you want to see, do let me know. I will show. Number 1 with red and black. Okay. Number 2 only with red. My favorite, number 3 with Ahimsa silk ka yarn with white. Number 3, this is my favorite. Number 4, multicolor. Number 4, thank you Mahima. Number 5 with orange and navy blue. Yet another multicolor, green and red and yellow. Number 7, 5. Going through. Number 6. One. Good. Number 6. The price for this is, sorry na? Price for this is 12,500. Let me know इस स्लॉट से 6 पीसेस है मेरे पास. इस स्लॉट से कौन सा दिखाऊं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Five, I will show number 5. Five is on steel deal. 5 is on a steel deal. This is number 5. Pure Tasar by Tasar. Absolutely flowy. जीरो स्टार्च. इसको सॉफ्टन करने के लिए हम लोग स्पेशल मेथड्स यूज करते हैं. दिस इज द पल्लू एंड दिस इज योर वोवन बॉर्डर. दिस इज नॉट अ स्टिच्ड बॉर्डर. दिस इज इन नियॉन ऑरेंज एंड इन नेवी ब्लू. एंड देयर गोज योर बॉडी के बूटास. कंप्लीटली हैंड वोवन. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल and extremely lightweight feather light sarees. This is the blouse piece. For somebody who picks this up, you will get it on a discount at only 12,000. Free shipping all over Bharat. 12,000 free shipping all over Bharat में ये आपको मिलेगा आज. 5 दिखा दिया. अभी मैं दिखाऊंगी नंबर 2. Number 2 is again zero starch वाला super light. ये एकदम pro light version है सब ये सारे साड़ीज. This is like I like this version of the Tasar silk sarees. My mother, she likes the traditional, a little minimally starched version of the Tasar silk sarees. Like I like my cottons to be crumpled. And my mother likes it very prim and proper. Okay, so this is the traditional muga and red combination with the Aronai motif. You can check. This is the motif. This is the flower motif in the body. Santoshi ma'am, namaskar. Thank you for joining. And this is your pallu. Pallu is like क्या बोलते हैं इसको? मंडाला आर्ट या क्या बोलते हैं. इट्स लाइक दैट. देखिए वो हम लोग पहले सॉल्व करते थे ना. ऐसे ऐसे वे आउट करना है विथ पेन. देन वी गेट स्टक इन सम. देयर विल बी सम पाइप. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड. प्लीज एजुकेट मी. सो दिस इज लाइक दैट. दिस इज द फ्लावर मोटिव इन द बॉडी. दिस इज वेरी प्रिटी. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. Yeah, maze. Zentangle. Oh, very nice. Zentangle is a new word I learned today. My mother is an English teacher and I am so hopeless. This is the blouse piece. Very classy. You can wear red blouse also with this. Lekin I want to really show number 1 and I will show, please. Number 3 bhi dikhaungi Manu ma'am. I will show number 3 also. This is red and black. I have a weakness towards this combination on Tasar. Anything with black, I have a weakness on Tasar. I think black looks the best. After black, red and black combination looks the best. This is the pallu. Very, very beautifully woven. You can check the intricacy in the pallu. मैं close लेकर आती हूँ. You can check how it looks. This is the border, woven border. Vidya ma'am, namaskar, welcome to my live. This is the border and this is the body ka boota. Navi ma'am, namaskar, thank you so much for joining. Your blouse too pretty. The blouse piece also is very, very nice, very pretty. This is the blouse piece. These are all for 12,500. This is a very, very, very stunning one. This is how it looks. This is the sari. And this is the pallu. Look at the beautiful detailing in the pallu. Bisoni motifs, everything is there. This is the pallu. It's a very elegant sari. I think it's one of the most elegant saris that I am showing in the Tasar woven border. This is the woven border. The blouse piece is with the traditional hand fan, yani ki Bisoni motifs. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Bisonis together. 8 hand fans together. Is anyone answer? Dorma. Bisoni. I think I have a traditional Bisoni, यानी कि वो hand fan जो palm trees से, palm leaves से बनता है. I have to show it to you. I just told Romila to get it for me. Just hold on. This is the sari. This is so elegant. You can wear it with almost all color blouses. Or just wear this color ka blouse and wear a pearls. This is the traditional Bisoni. ये तो अभी stitch करके हम लोगों ने लिया है to ensure that this does not break off from the stick. This is the traditional bamboo ka cane ka Bisoni. Can you see? Now this, and I will show you this. Can you see? ऐसे ही नहीं बोलती, बना बना के स्टोरीज बना बना के नहीं बोलती मैं जो बोलती हूँ उसका रेफरेंसेस होता है मेरे पास, क्योंकि वही मेरा मेन काम है. मेरा ये कैमरे के आगे आना बात करना ये मेरा काम नहीं है. एक्चुअली मेरा मेन काम है उधर बैठ के ये सब सीखना, ये सब बोलना, ये सब सुनना, यही सब में मेरे को इंटरेस्ट आता है. हाय ज्योति, हाउ आर यू? दिस इज द फ्लावर मोटिव इन अहिंसा सिल्क का yarn, एंड दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस बिसोनी मोटिव वाला. 2 मल्टी कलर है मेरे पास, दोनों में एक साथ खोल के दिखाती हूँ. खोल बिसोनी के इन कन्नड़ा. ओह, that is something new that I learned. Although I know Kaam Chalao Kannada now, so I am out of practice also. So I talk to Amrita sometimes. Long time ke baad, yeah. This is for 12,500. So this is also with the Bisoni motifs, with the hand fan motifs, with the diamond motifs, huge jumbo diamond motifs. This is your pallu. Bisanige in colloquial Kannada. Okay. So see, it's all from one language, no? That is why it's similar. This is the yellow, green and red motifs. Visanikara in Telugu. Okay. How nice. See, I like this kind of a live session where only I am not talking, like looking at the mirror and talking. So much to learn. So many, and I am a sucker for learning languages. I love learning new languages. But very, very unfortunate that I came off from Bangalore and then I have nobody to speak to in Kannada. So to converse with in Kannada. So I almost forgot my Kannada, and mummy speaks in English or in Assamese. So I almost have forgotten my Tamil also. When party was there, she used to speak in Tamil only with mom, with my chitti, with my mama, with everybody. So then I used to hear and I was still in touch. Like now it's like totally out of touch. Good to be talkative. Then because I talk and then you also talk back, right? So I have learned. So these are two sarees. One has this border, this pallu. Borders are same for both. And one has this pallu. It's a simpler pallu. This is like the motif. This is usually the sun motif, we call it. And this is the Japi motif. A graphical representation, you can say, of the Japi. And this is the pallu. And this has got the Bisoni motif. This has got the Bisoni motif. So I will show you both the pallus. Okay. So this is two sarees I have. Whichever you like, you can choose. This is the one. One has a red and green blouse piece. And this one has a very nice yellow blouse piece. The Japi one has a yellow blouse piece. You can put, मैं blouse का idea दूँ क्या? You can put a red piping and you can get this stitched. It's a very nice yellow blouse piece. Okay, now तसर एंड करते हैं इस लास्ट सुपर डुपर सुपरमैन साड़ी से, जो है द वेरी वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस, द एक्सक्लूसिव हाथ भोनी डिजाइन टेकन फ्रॉम द मुगा जॉयमोती डिजाइन. Joymoti, I have narrated this story many a times. The wife of Prince Godapani, who laid down her life but refused to tell the whereabouts of her husband when he was in hiding. So she is a very very brave woman and her name is etched in history forever. And for that वो मुगा इतना exclusive है, मुगा इसी के लिए उसको जॉयमोती बोलते हैं. इसको हम लोग ताकि शान कम ना हो उस साड़ी का, उस वीव का, उसका सिग्निफिकेंस या शान या उसका प्रेस्टीज कम ना हो, इसी के लिए हमने इसको हाथ भोनी डिजाइन बुलाते हैं हम लोग. इसका मतलब मेटाफोरिकली 7 sisters है, 7 sisters of North East. Before Sikkim our brother joined us, we were 7 sisters of North East. So इसमें सतरंगी साड़ी है ये, इसी के लिए इसको ऐसा नाम दिया गया है. इट्स वेरी ब्राइट एंड वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी रेडियंट, वेरी वाइब्रेंट साड़ी. इसमें मरून, ऑरेंज, ग्रीन एंड गोल्डन सॉरी है थ्रेड वर्क. बहुत लोग इसको बोलते हैं 7 weavers sit in the loom. 7 weavers sit in the loom, the loom will break and समा जाएगा धरती में. So when you don't know and you're selling, just say it confidently, just accept it and say it. Don't say I am a loom owner, etc., etc. Just say कि I am just selling. I do not know the significance of this. I have not learned, but if you tell me, then I will try to learn. ऐसा सब कुछ जानने से मैं भगवान हो जाऊंगी ना. I will not remain a human. तो ये सब झूठ बात है. I am busting all these baseless lies that people are weaving. This is a sari which has 3 बोनोकिया साड़ी है. ये 3 बोनोकिया 2 बोनोकिया मतलब इसमें 2-3 कलर्स, एक ही मोटिव में 2-3 कलर्स इन्वॉल्व है. उतना ही है स्टोरी. एंड दिस इज मोर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. इसका वीविंग चार्जेस भी डबल है देन अ नॉर्मल साड़ी. एंड इट आई थिंक ये देख के इट्स टोटली जस्टिफाइड. एंड इट इज ऐसे ही हाथ धोनी बोलते हैं बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज्यादा सतरंगी जिसको बोलते हैं, वेरी ब्राइट, वेरी वाइब्रेंट, वेरी कलरफुल साड़ी है, इसीलिए इसको ये नाम दिया गया है. दैट्स ऑल इट इज. दिस इज द साड़ी. दीज आर द मोटिव्स. द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस साड़ी इज दिस बॉर्डर. रेशमा मैम, हेलो, नमस्कार, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. Don't fall prey. This is for everybody, whether you take from me or not is regardless. But don't fall prey to people who say कि I am a loom owner, I am a this owner, that owner. Does not matter if you're a loom owner or not. If you're a loom owner, you should know more than us about toss white is for 12,500. You should know more about these sarees if you're a 4th generation. It should be seeped into your blood by now. Okay, so stop saying these lies, and if you come across these lies ever, then don't fall prey into it that somebody from these powerful people, political powerful people came, they burnt my loom. I don't know what and all stories people tell me, and I get very irritated. So I am requesting on live that do not weave these kind of lies about Assam is a very, very nice state. People are very nice. By at large, people are very nice. Of course, there will be exceptions everywhere, in every state, in every corner, nook and corner of the world. But otherwise, it's a very nice, very hospitable state. People are very, very good here. They're very understanding, very hospitable, and very, very accommodating. This is the kolam design, sort of a design. You can see kolam is rangoli that you make with that rice flour. This is the rest of the design. It's a tribal mishing style of weaving, and it is called the Hath Bhoni weave from Assam, made in Tasar by Tasar. हम लोग ही पहले बनाए थे तसर, आजकल तो सब लोग बनाते हैं. So Path silk sarees, I have some of them. This I was about to show the other day, but I forgot. Sorry. This is a dual tone, beautiful saree. This is a dual tone red. The Hath Bhoni design, Santoshi ma'am, the Hath Bhoni saree is for 18,500. 18,500. Yes, this is a wine colored dual tone saree with a red undertone. It's a very pretty color. I don't know if it's, can you see? It has a very, very nice undertone. इसमें रेड में देख लीजिए हमने ब्लैक वेफ्ट लगाया है. बाना इसका ब्लैक है, एंड ब्लैक भी नहीं, एकदम डार्क, जो क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ, डार्क ब्राउन है, चॉकलेट ब्राउन है. बहुत ही सुंदर है ये. रेड में ब्लैक मारा गया है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ब्लैक, सो आई कॉल इट ब्लैक. दिस इज द, that is why it's a dual tone. Can you see it's a dual tone? Ox blood, never seen, sorry. This is the sari with ahimsa silk thread. This is ahimsa silk ka yarn. This is golden zari and this is silver zari. Silver, ahimsa silk, golden. पूरा बॉडी में फ्लावर्स है. and this is पूरा का पूरा made in golden zari and silver zari मीनाकरी के साथ, पूरा का पूरा made in ahimsa silk only. This is full made in ahimsa silk. Look at how intricate the border of the pallu work is. These are the premium range of sarees. Giving you a disclaimer before I actually show the entire saree. These are the borders which I will put and give you. You do not have to do anything. And there goes your blouse piece. And this is the color. It's a beautiful dual tone ash color on red. Dual tone on red. This is extremely, extremely, extremely pretty. Very, very pretty. This is. This is for 14,500. 14,500. Payable in 2 installments. Okay, now one more saree is on discount. This, I don't know if I have ever shown to you, but this saree is a very, very pretty one. This is the paisley saree, जहाँ पे अम्बी motif है पल्लू में. We make muga sarees like this, and I have made it on path silk. This is red. This was supposed to be the Durga Puja saree, and 2 of them came. One of them came before Durga Puja, that got sold, and this came after Durga Puja, unfortunately. This is your another paisley motif. This is your paisley motif in the pallu. This is your jumbo paisley motif. एक paisley, ऊपर से ये भी paisley. इतने सारे अम्बी motifs, कोलका बोलते हैं हम लोग. This is also a paisley. The entire body has these beautiful paisleys. Ananya ma'am, namaskar, ki khabar, bahut dino murad. Thank you so much for joining. This is the border. This is a good 3.5-4 inches का border. 3.5 तो हो गई. फोर इंचेस का बॉर्डर है ये. 4 इंच का ये बॉर्डर है. नाउ दिस इज द डील ऑफ द डे, राइट? दिस इज, वी सेल दिस फॉर 11,700. Only and only for today, this saree is available for 10,700, a flat 1,000 rupees discount. 10,700. Quickly grab a screenshot and send it to us. It's ready to dispatch. Fall picot tassel सब कुछ करके रखा है हमने. आपको सिर्फ एक रेड ब्लाउज के साथ पहनना है, और नहीं तो ये रहा ब्लाउज पीस. Very, very pretty one. This is for 10,700. Deal of the day. Quickly give us a first. Quickly give us a screenshot if you like these, and that's all for today. Yes, I am doing well too. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching us. We've been doing live for 1.5 hours now. I do have other sarees also on steel deal. If you permit, I will show. I will only, but the deal remains only when you're watching this video for only till this weekend. So don't think too much and quickly grab the saree. This is another white and red. Number 1. This is an exclusive saree. Number 2. Exclusive saree. Number 3. Yeah, that's about it. So tell me, I will start with 3, 2, or 1. This you will not believe what price you will get it for. This is for, otherwise let me show the actual, let me tell you the actual prices. This is for 18,000. This is for 18,500 actual prices, but this is for 18,000 also. This is also for 18,000, and this is for 17,500. Ahimsa silk and copper zari का काम है. I will show 2 and 3. Okay, first Santoshi ma'am has requested. This is a wine color, a pretty wine color with copper zari and ahimsa silk ka yarn ka meenakari. This is the blouse piece, and I have a muga silk साड़ी जिसमें ये डिजाइन था और हमने हूबहू वही पाट सिल्क साड़ी में कर दिया है ताकि आप लोग सब पहन सके. This is the wine colored beauty. This is a beautiful sari. This is your gauze boota, jumbo gauze boota with the lokoparo. This is done with ahimsa silk and copper zari thread. Gauze boota with the lokoparo. This is your border, and this is the gauze boota. Another gauze boota, and the whole body has these tiny gauze bootas in ahimsa silk thread and in copper zari. This is a very exclusive sari. This is directly, I copy only my stuff. So I have used the muga silk wala sari ka card directly on this part, in making this part silk mulberry silk sari. This is for 17,500. Otherwise, today available for 16,500. 16500. Quickly send me a screenshot. 16500. Payable in 2 to 3 EMIs. Once your EMIs are over, the sari will be sent to you. In case you pay by credit card, which you can do through Razorpay, we'll send you the payment link. Chargeable, it's charged at 3%. 3% extra charges will be applied to the base, to the existing price, which is 16,500. 16500 instead of 17,500. This is payable in 2 to 3 shots. Quickly send us a screenshot and we can take the conversation further. This is a 9-inch border wala sari. Look at this sari. First, you just look at this sari. Forget about everything else. Just have a look. I am a lover of broad border kanjivarams. Okay? Or any sari for that matter. Okay, this is an 8-inch, directly an 8-inch border. Can you see? 8-inch का border है ये, and पूरा का पूरा silver zari के साथ जाल weaving है. I can show you the close up so that you know what kind of mehnat, what kind of labor, and how much time this. You might be guessing. People who have an idea of handloom might be easily able to guess how much time and how much painstaking work this is. Time taking and painstaking at the same time. And this is the entire work is like this in silver zari. Zari को इतना distinctly करना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. And this is the hinkap motif with the lions and the peacocks. Hinkap buta. This is, we have 4 lines of this in red. And the entire body has these silver and red flower buttas all over. When you drape this, it may be white, but it looks divinely gorgeous. Trust me. This is how it looks. It's very, very, very classy. And when I say that all heads will turn to you, then it is true. It is, I have proof. I don't know, shayad mummy has a pink color of this, maybe. You messaged me. Sorry, I didn't see. Okay, so this is the sari. Very, very, very pretty. For 18,000. Otherwise, लो जा पी लो. रोमिला को बड़ा मजा आता है. रोमिला thinks I am the most beautiful औरत in the world, and she keeps staring at me and she forgets, she zones out. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, white with silver. इसको आप दूसरे ब्लाउजेस, दूसरे साड़ीज के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं. I would suggest don't put the no, I'm not. दूसरे साड़ीज के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं. So I would suggest don't put the red piping. So this saree for 18,000 rupees is now available for only and only beyond my, this is below my making cost also. Trust me when I say this. You all know the kind of profits that I keep. Those who interact with me, those who have known me for years now, you all know that we do not do business like, you know, at once. Just tell कि okay 5,000 rupees का profit लेके ये साड़ी मैंने दिया है आपको, ऐसा नहीं होता है. This is for today 16,500 payable in 2 to 3 shots. This is also an 8-inch का border. This is for 16,800. 16,800. दूसरों में 22,000 का मिलता है. 22,000. I am not joking. Trust me. 16,800. We sell this for 18,000 rupees. Amrita knows, she was watching a live where this was sold for 28,000 or 26,000 something. I have the screenshot also, I think. Okay, so this is the sari. It's a beautiful white with red gamkharu pattern wala, pura paneled weaving, intricately paneled weave kiya gaya hai. And this is your flower buttas all over in only and only red. This is the blouse piece. This is available only and only for 16,000 today. 16,000 payable in 3 shots. Up to 3 shots. You can pay in 2, you can pay in 3. So quickly make the booking. And Shivashidi, hello. I was just showing the last set of sarees. So this is the saree for 16,000 payable in 3 shots. Quickly send us your screenshots and the sarees can be yours. Okay. So here we come to an end of this live. Shivashidi, sorry. आज हम लोग live end कर रहे हैं धीरे से अभी. So we come to this is customary for Romila to give me the dupatta when I open and when I am concluding with a vote of thanks. Okay, so thank you so much. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार. आज Friday है, कार्तिक पूर्णिमा है. फिर से wishing you all a very blessed Kartik Purnima, a very very blessed and prosperous Kartik Purnima, and a very blessed Guru Parab as well. Thank you so much for watching us live for almost 2 hours now. We've been doing live and you've been very very kind, very very patient and very very accommodating with me always. मैं आऊँ या मम्मी आए, with me always. Tomorrow we are planning to come with a cotton and cotton silk live only, or we'll do it day after. Tomorrow we'll come with a Mekhla Sador live. Do let us know on our number if you want a Mekhla Sador exclusive live tomorrow at 759-5959-055. That's our number. That's my mother's taking bookings right now, I think. And Eri mein Swapna ma'am is so very sweet. I want to do an Eri discount sale live, which I will do over our broadcast or over live. Do let me know. Tomorrow we are doing a Mekhela Sador live. I think tomorrow we are doing a Mekhela Sador live. Yes, during the day probably, because night time I'm a little busy. But I plan to do a live during the day. Mekhela Sador live, Eri Silk का भी live होगा. Sorry. So quickly, just whatever you like, just send the screenshot to us. आप अभी immediately payment नहीं कर सकते, कोई बंदा नहीं. We understand. I am also like that. I also take the stuff in installments if it is beyond a cost, beyond a cut-off cost. So we totally understand. That's how life is. And we will, I promise you, we will try to be as accommodating as possible. This also is on discount, by the way. It's a Kesapat, part by Kesapat, Lotus motif sari, Nalini collection. This was an order of somebody, but unfortunately she couldn't take it due to some family reasons, and we are giving this off on discount. Okay. Thank you so much once again. Wishing you a very happy weekend. You be good and be healthy. Keep your dear ones healthy. Keep smiling and spread the smiles around. Thank you so much. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार. Good night. Shubh Ratri. Here's Pooja signing off for tonight. See you tomorrow.